Hey guys, good morning, good morning, good morning. Welcome to the Scaredy Cat Crew Container Crops. Guys, let's first off, before we even get started, let's get our yard work done. Guys, if you are not subscribed to me, go ahead and subscribe so that we can all go on this journey of growing in containers together. Give me a thumbs up, share the video out, leave me some comments. And guys, I have channel memberships, so join. Everybody is welcome, even seasoned gardeners, because we can learn from you. Come on now. Guys, we're going to do our winter deck check. This is January and it's not so cold. As you can see, it's dreary out here, but it's not raining. So we're going to go and see what's growing on in the garden. Hey guys, this is the first of the year and I'm coming out to do a deck check. These are some turnip greens. I see something's getting in there, but look at the turnips down there, guys. They are growing pretty well. Pretty well, but oh my goodness, looks like I need to clean out. This is some oregano down here. It's still going really good too. I see my little squirrels been doing their little thing in here with all these holes. Look at those holes down there. Can you guys see that? Yes. Okay. I probably need to come and clean this up a little bit and see what's going on. But I got some more turnips. This one's going pretty good down there. I'm not mad at it. I'm going to leave them out here and see what happens. My onion over here, it's still growing pretty good. This is a white onion. I just came out here and took the onion and stuck it in the ground. I harvested the purple onion. You guys probably saw that video. Let's go over here and see what else we got going on. This is my thyme and it is still going pretty good, guys. Still going pretty good. Yes, it's still going pretty good out here. Over here we got our rosemary. Yes, it's always doing good, guys. It just kind of lies dormant through the winter time and it comes back thriving in the spring and the summer. I've got some inside growing, and I've got this. I'm going to try to do a whole nother plant with that. Let's see, something else is growing down here. I guess that looks like something else coming up down there. I don't know. Something else is coming up right there. And guys, to be honest, I am not sure what it is, but as you can see, there's a few leaves down there. Those are coming up. I have no clue of what those are. These are my strawberries, and just to kind of date it, it is January 2021. This is January 2nd, as a matter of fact. And we've had some cold days, but not that cold. These strawberries are lie dormant. Now, this is the original mother plant. So I've had it for a couple of years so far. This produces strawberries every year. These are from the shoots. All of these are from the shoots. And then I have another one over here from the shoot. And this one is from the shoot. They'll lie dormant and they'll just come back in the spring. Hopefully, guys. Hopefully. All right. And guys, over here we got our garlic. This is our garlic that we got going on over here. And it's just growing like it's supposed to be. These were some turnip greens that are they're just like here. They're not doing anything. Look at that hole down there. Guys, every time you see these holes, that's a squirrel. I don't know if you can actually see that it's a hole, but let me see if I put that down in there. That's a hole. So I'm gonna have to get some coffee ground. Okay guys, that's it for our winter January garden deck check. Thank you so much for coming and hanging out with me here in my garden. Guys, I really do appreciate each and every one of you all. Please don't forget to subscribe and share me out. Bring a friend over so we can grow together. Give me a thumbs up and leave me some comments. Don't forget, I have channel memberships. Guys, also connect to me over on IG, Instagram at Scaredy Cat. Come on now. Connect to me over there. It is at Scaredy Cat Gardener over there on IG. Please join my Facebook group. It's Container Crops on Facebook. I would love to have each and every one of you all. We can ask our questions. We can share our successes so we can all celebrate together. And if you have questions or concern, if I can't answer them, somebody else in the group or somebody else can. So join me over there as well, and I'll see you on the trail.